Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial for you guys. As you can tell, my whole makeup is done and I have nothing but my eyebrows, so I look a bit weird. But I have my eyelashes just drying right now, so I figured I would quickly do the eyebrow tutorial for you guys while they're drying. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay. So I am going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil, and I am in the shade Ebony. I like to use this because it has a nice sharp point. So I just start by using the end with the brush, and I brush them all upward. Usually you brush downward, but I love doing the upward motion because I try to make them look as thick as possible. Next, what I do, I put a line right down the front to carve out the bottom. And I continue doing this to the bridge, and I go all the way down the tail and carve that out. Next, I just kind of brush it up to even that line out. I will then do the top of the eyebrow. I connect that to where I feel like would be the tip of my bridge, which I think is right there. And I just do little strokes that are hair-like to fill that in. Next, from the tip of that bridge, I bring it all the way down my tail and just make that tail thicker. And I also fill it in with just baby hair strokes. After that is done, I just brush it out because I do want that to be nice and even. Now for the inner part of my eyebrow, I like to make it look as natural as possible, so I do a lot of hair strokes. I don't like to fill it in how some girls do it, where it just looks like a block, where it's like an ombre effect. I do want this brow to look as natural as possible. So I start with just putting one, and that will be the final shape. And so then I will just do continuous ones outward. And I just clean that up a bit, and I brush that up. And that is the final for the eyebrow pencil. I don't do too much. I make it quick, I make it natural. But I do finish it off by using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. All I do is brush upward. I like to have thick brows since they're not too thick normally. And just by brushing those hairs upward, it creates a fuller looking brow. And that is my brow tutorial. I will quickly do the other side and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so that is the other brow done. Now, it's important to remember that your brows are sisters, they're not twins. So I try to make them look as close as possible. They may not be exactly the same, but let's be real. If you wanted your eyebrows to look perfect and very symmetrical, it would take you forever. They're not going to have the same shape, they're not going to have the same fullness. They will have similarities, but they won't be completely sisters and twins. So I'm going to zoom you guys out. So this is the final makeup look too. I can talk you guys through what I have going on here. I just have a natural wing and natural falsies on. I went for the more natural look today for work. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys loved this brow tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I am more than happy to comment back and give you some more suggestions on how to get the best looking eyebrows possible. Make sure to like, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification button, and I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.